my channel. So today we're talking about this glow recipe lip balm slash lip scrub that I have right here. Let's talk about the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. It's very clear, concise, straight to the point. So on the very back right here, we have the description about the product. We have the instructions on how to use this product, and then we have the ingredients listed out for each of the products. Alright, so these lip balms right here, they retail for $28 USD together, and then it's a value of $44 USD for this whole entire set. Alright, so when you pull out this packaging, you have this nice clear packaging, which obviously you can reuse or like recycle, put other stuff in it. And then when you take out these two lip balms right here, this is what it looks like. So the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging. I'm just a huge fan of like simple, clean packaging. Alright, so when you open these up and then when you twist them up, this is actually all the product you are getting from this lip balm slash lip scrub. And I have to say, when you open them, it smells amazing. Like, for instance, this is the blueberry one. This smells very sweet. It smells like blueberry. This is the watermelon one. Very sweet, very full of watermelon scent. These are like multi-dual lip products. So on the packaging, it says it's like a lip balm slash a lip scrub. So when you go on and apply it to your lips, it does feel very smooth, and then sometimes you might get like little bits and pieces of like the lip scrub on your lips. And if you do like smack your lips or like rub your lips together, you can definitely feel the scrub. But then later on, like the scrub just like sinks in to your skin and just like disappears by itself. Alright, so these are like tinted lip balms, so they have like a little bit of color to it. So obviously for the watermelon one, it is very light, very neutral, and then for the blueberry one, since it is a little bit darker, it has more of like a darker tint to it. Alright, so I'm going to try on these two lip balms for you, and let's see if you guys can really tell and see if there is a difference on my lips. Alright, what do you think of this first color? I really like it a lot. It just looks very natural, very like clean. Just gives my lips like a little bit of color, like a little bit of boost that I need. Alright, what do you think of this color? It is actually very similar, but this one has a little bit of more of a tinted color to it. I also do like this color quite a lot too. As for my final thoughts on these lip balm slash lip scrubs right here, I have to say I am actually a huge fan of Glow Recipe products, and when they announced that they were coming out with these products, I was actually very excited about it. But when I saw the price of it, I was like, wow, this is expensive just for one. So the first one that they came out with is the watermelon one, and by itself it retails for $22 USD, and I have to say it is quite expensive and quite pricey just for one product. But because I got this in like a set right here, so this is like a limited edition set only for like the holiday season, so both of these two combined together are $28 USD for the whole entire set, which I would say it is still a little bit pricey for me. But because I actually got this during the Sephora sale, I had a 20% discount, so the price went down a little bit, and I have to say it's fairly, I would say it's an alright price, but I still feel like it is just a tad bit expensive, because I know that not a lot of people can actually afford to get such a pricey lip balm. So if any of you guys who have like extra income or like extra disposable income, this is definitely worth giving a try. But for those of you guys who are like on a budget and who are considering or thinking about trying this, I would probably say, you know, just skip this and get like a regular lip balm. So as for my final thoughts on these two products right here, I definitely really like it a lot, but it is personally too expensive for me, and I have tried quite a lot of lip balms, and I have to say there is a lip balm that I absolutely really like, and I feel like it is literally like half of the price of these two lip balms. So I previously have talked quite a lot about that lip balm, and it is actually the Jack Black lip balm, and this one by itself is only $8 USD, and it has SPF 25 in it. So if any of you guys who are looking for a really good lip balm, I would highly recommend getting this one instead of getting these right here. Alright, so and if you're wondering, I would definitely say this is like a really good like holiday or like a Christmas present gift, or like a birthday gift if someone's birthday is during like the holiday season, especially if you do have like a discount from Sephora. So if you were to ask me, will I purchase these again, I'm definitely gonna say no. I'm not going to purchase these ever again, unless if they do come out with like a new scent or like a new formula, then maybe I will purchase them. But for now, I'm actually really happy with my Jack Black lip balm. So if any of you guys who have tried this product, feel free to let me know. What do you guys think? Too expensive, overpriced, or like is there like a similar lip balm slash scrub that you have tried to use for like the half of the price? I'd actually love to hear that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.